I don't know how many mothers have come up to me, or how many youth have come up to me, my mother makes me listen to your lectures. And I just say, I'm sorry bro, I'm sorry. It's not my fault. There's so many young people who have a grudge against me because they're mothers. Listen to Brother Ahmad. Oh, like, I hate that guy. He's ruined my life. But anyway, when I was younger, I heard hundreds of times the Quran is a miracle. The Quran is perfect. Its Arabic is amazing. The poets could not come up with anything to respond to the... You heard this before or no? You heard this, huh? And I used to say, wow. Quran's so awesome. Why is it awesome? Because its Arabic is awesome. Oh wow. But I don't know Arabic. Well, too bad for you. It's still awesome. Okay? Until you know Arabic, you can't see it. It's like telling someone something behind this glass door. Behind this door is something amazing. Can I see it? No. Go learn Arabic first, then you can see it. That's the attitude. But the problem with that approach is, do you think most people are going to learn Arabic for 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, even 1 year, even 6 months, just so they can see the miracle of the Quran? Most people won't do that. We have to present this message in the language of the people. And we have to stop saying, until you learn Arabic, too bad for you. No. And personally, I do believe that the true miracle, to taste the miracle of Allah in this book, you have to have something of the Arabic language, but I made it an obligation on myself. Whatever of it I can explain in English, I will. If I can't make you taste 100%, even if I can make you taste like 2%, it's better than nothing. And it's a lot. It's a lot. And the more I studied this subject, wallahi, the more I said, man, people need to know this stuff. People need to appreciate what Allah's book is, what it says. A lot of our Islam is given to us by our parents, by the society in which we live, but we didn't feel it ourselves. We didn't taste it ourselves. We don't know why. We're told it's a miracle, but we don't know why.